Tell me how to think. Lay me on your riverbed tonight. There'll be chasing after us. I can't remember where you said it was. Are we different or are we the same?
Hello guys,
Are we different
it's time
or are
to
we
be born.
begging?
Just the right way, see my 5 minutes.
Oh, and take my body. Oh, just take my body. Oh, and take my body. Oh, and take my body.
Alright guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in today. On today's video, I want to show you, as promised, the way I want to use the Bavaria International Bar Soap on my face. That soap is basically a facial soap, but I am going to be using both on my face and on my body. Okay, so but I am going to be using a different style on my face. After having my bath, I am going to be using it in a different way on my face. I'm not going to use it the way I'm supposed to use it. All right, let's quickly get into the bathroom as promised. Now let us know how I want to do it. Let's go. Hallelujah. We're going to the toilet. We're going to the bathroom. So I am not going to be using any soap and water to like on my face. No, rather I'm going to be using my facial towel, even though I've not gotten my facial towel yet. But I wanted to keep to my promise by doing as I said. That's why I'm making this video today now, to show you how I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be using this soap as a makeup remover on my face. Exactly the way you use a makeup remover to get rid of your makeup after a long day. So basically, after having my bath with the soap, I'll just come here and do this on my face. So I'm not going to be using the soap to bathe while I'm washing my whole body. I won't wash my face, so that after I'll come and do this. This is how I'm going to be using on my face. This is how I think any Thailand. All right, let me leave here. Oh, sorry. Let me leave here so that I'll explain to you why I want to use this soap this way on my face. What I think, what I've experienced, and why I feel that this way is going to work better. So let's go back to the studio. Mwah! Yeah, welcome back once again. If it's your first time stopping by here, please hit that notification bell in order to always be notified each time there is an upload coming from me. And also share this video all over the globe to your friends and loved ones. Make a noise with it and endeavor to thumbs up this video. And darling, let's quickly talk about the Bavaria soap. All right, the Bavaria soap is, it's a Thailand soap. That's what I've seen, that it's a Thailand soap. And most Thailand products I have worked with, Thailand products that I've worked with, I've given people to use, and people have given me their reviews on what they feel and think about it, is that if you use a Thailand product like that, like if you use a Thailand soap, especially facial soap on your face, what I notice about it is that it might end up making your face very rough, like it might give you pimples, that does not mean that Thailand soap is not good. That does not mean that Thailand soap does not do the magic and the trick. No. But if you use Thailand soap with a facial towel, like a makeup remover, then you're going to see the result is going to give you. It's going to be a different thing entirely. So I always advise that anybody, and I'm giving a Thailand soap to you, should make use of a facial towel. So right now I'm making this a video for you to see the right way to do it. You can make use of an handkerchief, but you know that you're not going to be using that handkerchief again for something else. You're just going to keep that specifically for your face. Then this handkerchief, make sure to always dry it. You're not going to be keeping your handkerchief with just because you're using it on your face, or you're using it. So make sure you dry it always. Anytime you want to use it, make sure it is dry. That way you're sure that you've gotten rid of all the microorganisms that might have grown in the handkerchief, and you're not going to harm your face in any way. Despite the fact that the bar soap contains good antibacterial because it's a herbal soap, but still we need to do the right thing in order to avoid everything totally. It's better you do the right thing than to incur the wrath of using things wrongly, because we do not want to stay and treat instead of using that period to glow and glow and glow. All right, darling, so this was just the way I think you should use it, because that is the way I have used Thailand. Like when I was using goat milk facial soap, the first day, second, third, fourth, fifth day I used goat milk facial soap. What I discovered was that it gave me pimples on my face, and this, as nobody has ever spoken about goat milk soap doing this for them. So I was like, is my own face different? What's going on? I had to try it in a different way. So now this is what I did. I got a facial towel and began using my goat milk facial soap differently, and I saw the way it glow. And so if you see the way it glow my face, it brightened my face, it was really nice. It's just that this thing that we do, we have to change different products in order to be able to make reviews. So you won't really be able to stick to one thing, else you won't have a content to create. All right there, so that is what I noticed about Thailand soap. you can use this way in any Thailand product. Not necessarily that it has to be Bavaria international soap or goat milk soap, but any Thailand facial soap that you come across, they are really nice. Like the way they glow, the ones that are to lighten will lighten perfectly. Just know the way to use it, especially if you have an acne prone skin and a sensitive skin. You have to know the way to use it, else it's going to end up doing something that you'll be like, how? That does not mean that there are people that have used it the regular way and it didn't work, but I am just saying for people that maybe made use of a Thailand product and they experience something of that nature, just don't give up. Rather try it in a different style and see if it is not going to do something perfect for you. Alright darling, so if this was your first time stopping by here, please endeavor to hit that subscription bell. Do it now. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.